Hello everyone in Cyber World. Welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This week, we made this.
I wanted to make a picture frame out of koa or monkey pie.
And I've always wanted to challenge myself using a Dremel to do a little bit of carving. Before we show you how we did this,
Please hit that subscribe button below and tell us in the comment section whether you like or dislike or you would have done something differently for the framing.
so now let's take a look at how we did this. I've had this thick slab of monkey pod wood for over a year, and I think I finally have the perfect solution for it. Now I need to work on this slab to square it up, flatten it out, and make two workable pieces.
Instead of using 4 pieces of wood to make a frame, we're going to draw a rectangle and then cut it out from this piece of wood.
I could have used a guide to cut a straight line, but I was going for a rough look, and I'll explain this a little bit later.
Here we are cutting a piece of acrylic glass.
And now for my first ever attempt of carving with a Dremel. Drum roll, please.
So we used a cricket to make letters of the Japanese nickname for our granddaughter.
I wanted the flowers to be the focal point of the frame, so I decided on a very subtle carving of the letters. Earlier in the video, I explained that I did not want to make perfect cuts for a reason. Unfortunately, I forgot to record this. If you take a look around the frame, you'll notice that I roughened it up. The idea was to try and make it look like bark of a tree branch or the tree itself where the cherry blossoms are growing.
Then we made a very simple stand for the frame.
And now for 3 coats of polyacrylic.
And to finish it up, we added the acrylic glass. And that is how we made it.
And next week,
Next week.
well, we've got a semi-big project to do, and I have some small things that I really need to get taken care of. So it's all going to come down to which one of these projects get done. Hopefully we will have it done by next week. So until we meet again.
Bye-bye.